Ready?
Sorry.
Oh my god. Okay, my sister's in the background, and I just like
Said I could talk during it.
Yeah, I know. So I just like 360 spun my otter. Yeah. I'll show you the clip later. Okay, sorry about that. Today I'm going to be unboxing this Calico Critters triple baby bunk bed. Oh yeah. So I'm going to unbox this off camera so you don't have to painfully watch me struggling to unbox something that's probably very simply wrapped up. So yeah. Okay, so first I'm going to show you the bunk beds. So first there's this pink one, very snazzy. This yellow one that is also very snazzy. This blue one that is also very snazzy, yay! Okay, so I'm going to get out the covers and stuff because they look like these would be really, really painful to sleep on. Just like, yay, I'm torturing myself with a plastic bunk bed, yay! Okay, so I stacked them up and they're pretty cute. They're really pretty colors. They're like pastel, beautiful colors. And you can also have them be unstacked too, like, which is good because I'm probably not going to be using them as bunk beds very often. And yeah, they're perfect size for LPS because, I mean, I know they say baby bunk beds and stuff, but they can honestly be used for any size pet, so yeah. So I'm sorry for this short video, but I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of this Calico Critter set. I really liked it, and let me know if you want to see more of these. I really like the Calico Critters brand for accessories for LPS because they just look like classy, kind of. I don't know if that makes sense to you, but I don't know. They just seem like really nice quality and stuff, even though they're expensive. So yeah, bye!